What's up, guys? Welcome back to Give a Shift. Today it is obviously snowing, as you can probably see, but today has been a long day coming. It is time to work on the race car, but there are two things. Oh boy, gonna have to brush that off. But there are two things that I'm kind of worried about right now. It has been in the single digits for the past 3 days, and my battery is going. So let's see if this thing starts. Come on, come on. Oh yeah. Woo. Good old. See that number right there? 204,000 miles. Woo. And yes, there's a Christmas tree. Shut up. Anyway, second thing I'm worried about is I washed my car yesterday because I work at a dealership, even though it was about 3 degrees. I'm hoping this will. Oh yes. All right, cool. I was worried that would be frozen shut. Anyway, it is time to throw all the parts in the car, maybe grab a little bit of breakfast before I leave, and then go to Ryan's house, and we're gonna do some things. I'll tell you what the things are on the way, but man, isn't she nice and clean even though it's raining. Woo! All right, I will see you in a little bit. Alright people, so here's the deal. Ooh, excuse me. Anyway, here's the deal. We are on my way to my friend Ryan's house. You guys probably remember him from an old video. He's been in a couple of them. So we are working on the GTI today. It needs some things. Here's the rundown. It needs a passenger side steering knuckle. That one is cracked where it meets the tie rod. So we're throwing that in. It needs a valve cover gasket because that is leaking just a little bit, and needs motor mounts. I did one of them. I did not do the rest of them because I did not have time. And then it needs rear subframe bushings. I believe that is it. I think I also have a fuel filter for it. I don't think we're doing that today, but priorities for today are the knuckle, because that's kind of a safety issue. If that breaks, then that's not good. Motor mounts, I really want those done because that's just really pissing me off. So honestly, those two things, if we get those two things done, I will say that today has been a success. If we get the subframe bushings done, then I'll also be happy. But if not, then it's whatever. It's not a huge deal. We can do that another day. Because I think we might also be working on this possibly next week. But yeah, it's been a little while since I made a little video here. It's just the whole past month's been a little bit crazy. I've had finals going on and then just working just a whole bunch. So yeah, I kind of missed you know, making videos and talking to you guys. So we did hit 100 subscribers, so I'm pretty hyped about that. That was really weird, hyped about that. But yeah, I figured we're doing some things today on the car. So I figured I'd make a little video. Also, there's many more videos coming soon. I'm going to Colorado in about a week. Gonna probably shoot some reviews, shoot some daily you know, videos. So that'll be super fun, so definitely stay tuned for some of that. But it is a very cold day today. It is snowing. There's probably some sort of law against, you know, filming in the snow and driving and things, but whatever. It's not too much on the roads, as you can see. Anyway, we're getting up to Ryan's house, so I will see you guys when we get there. Alright, so we're here. Say hello, Ryan. Hello. Alright, so we're here with Ryan. Got all the engine covers and things off, so that it is ready to go for us to take all the things off. Then over here we have all our parts. So we got the 2 engine mounts, we got our subframe bushings, our knuckle, and then gasket's somewhere around. Oh, right there. Anyway, so we're gonna start the gasket. Yes. Yeah, we're probably starting off with that, or yeah, we'll probably start off with the gasket. Probably start off with the gasket and go forward from there. Either which way works. Cool. Alright, so we're gonna do that and then do more things, but building race cars, yay. So yeah. We got our propane heater running. So it's gonna be a nice toasty 50 degrees in here instead of, I think it's 9 today? It's 9 going down quickly. I think it is 9. Anyway, let's get going. all of this needs to be replaced. And we got a little peek at our timing belt there too. We need to replace that pretty soon, but not quite yet. But pretty hyped about that. You hyped about it? Oh shit. Yeah, watch out. I almost died too. Cool. Well, we got our intake out so we can do our motor mounts later. And we're doing valve cover gasket. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with our progress so far. So, cue some more time lapses. So, we are back. We have finished the valve cover gasket. We're just throwing things back together. And then, we're doing motor mounts next?
Motor mounts next.
Alright, we have figured out some space. We have just figured out just how loose this one is. It is garbage. But, yeah, Jello would do better at this point. But, I don't know. I feel pretty accomplished for the things we just did.
Pretty major job already.
And we're just putting all the things back together here. Putting the pull packs and everything back in, retaching hoses. We gotta fix the hose here because the previous owner messed it up and we have to fix that. So yeah, fun things. But as we do that, we will continue to progress. This garage heater is freaking amazing. Like, it is. Let's see. 9. Focus. Oh, sorry. 10. Woo!
I would say it's probably uncomfortable like 55 in here.
Yeah. 10 degrees is literally the warmest it's been in 4 days. 3 days. Scorching hot 10. Anyway, it's pretty nice in here. So, yeah, we're gonna get moving and keep on going with the race car building. Oh, yeah. So, here we are. We have done that. Valve cover's good. Fixed some botched piping. Couldn't think of the word. That was, messed up by the previous owner. We kind of fixed that up a little bit. You can see right there. Kind of janky to clamp, but it works. It's so much better than before. So now we are working on the transmission side mount. We've taken the battery and everything out over here, kind of skipped through that, kind of boring, pretty self-explanatory. 4 bolts right there, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, stuck a piece of wood down in, I don't know if you guys can see this, it's like way down under there. You can kind of see it through there. But, so the motor is supported because we couldn't fit a jack under there because low car props. And battery's out, so we can't obviously move the car. So yeah, we are now trying to get the old mount out so we can put the new one in. The new one is like hilariously light. It's CTS Turbo Stage 1 mounts. I got them on moddedeuros.com. They're on sale. They were cheaper actually than the where's this light? Don't want to get overexposed. They were cheaper actually than the stock ones, so I went with those. I'm pretty excited for that. So the dogma moment's already done. We're doing the transmission side first, then we're gonna do the other side. Hopefully this goes pretty smoothly. Everything else, actually, we've been pretty lucky with all our little breaks that we've been getting here. So hopefully this goes pretty nice and smooth. We will, keep you updated. Cue time lapse. I have no idea what he's doing.
it, Bob. I wouldn't show your followers this trick.
Is this a bad idea?
This is a horrible idea. But if it works, right?
Don't do this at home, apparently. Yeah, just don't do this at home. I don't know what he's doing, for the record.
That's it. That's it. And we're right there. You know what? That worked so well, I would show your followers that one.
Well, we just did. If it works, I guess. Hopefully he doesn't like it, so.
It's solid. Releasing it's going to be another trick. Yeah. It's going to cut right through it, probably. I actually went a little too far. And look at that, it's free. So, I don't have to drop the motor like I did the last time. That's a good sign.
There we go. And the other two, there's 2 more bolts. 3 more bolts. Is there 3?
There's 1, 2, and then 3 behind here.
At least they give us some like holes and stuff. Oh, yeah, you're right.
But hey, motor's free. How nervous is that? How nerve-wracking is that? Oh my god, dude.
I told you, dude, it was Jello. Jello would have worked better.
I might actually be able to pull that out. All right, less playing with it, more getting out before we drop something.
All right, well, I'm clearly bad at making videos because we, did you just drop it?
Yeah.
No. Wait,
Yeah.
I heard it hit the ground.
I heard it hit the ground, yep.
Anyway. We just dropped the bolt. Well, the bolt that goes like way down right there. Anyway, we kind of just put everything back together, and I forgot to put it all on video, but I didn't even know, battery all back together, finally got it fitting right. And just threw the intake back on, and then all this has to come out. So that'll be really fun. Not really, but whatever. It's a nice thing to do. There's that, and then we are finishing it off, I believe, with the knuckle. I don't know if we're gonna. Probably not gonna be able to get to these today, but that's fine. That'll be fun. So yeah, made a lot of progress today. Actually, did quite a lot of work. We did, like I said, we did the Velcro gasket, fixed up this hose, just did that motor mount. Oh, I was looking over there. Did that motor mount. Gonna do this side, and then that knuckle is cracked. I'll show you where it's cracked. It's cracked, I believe, right here. It's cracked right there. So that's kind of a bad thing. So we're replacing that. It even has a bearing already in it, which is kind of nice. These are pressing bearings. So I got it on ECS tuning. As you can see the box right over there. Somehow that heater still has gas.
The flames are getting slower, but it's still going.
Hey, it works. So yeah, I will try to document the next one a little bit better than I just did that one. That was kind of bad, but yeah, whatever. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying it so far. It might be a little bit of a long video, but whatever. Yeah, all right, let's go. So 2 bolts are out, and it moves very easily. Like, very easily. Oh, wow. So you have to get, oh, where's the note? There's a demonstration. Which way is it? That way?
Other way.
Or this way? Alright, I did have it right way. So we got these two out?
Yes.
Now we're getting these two and then that one. But anyway, like I said, if I mentioned it before, CTS turbo systems, stage 1, whatever you want to say, you know, stage 1. I think there's 60 durometer is what it says on there. You can see it. Focus. There we go. Right there at the end. 60D, I believe that stands for 60 durometer. So yeah, cool. Almost done with this one, kind of.
It's free! Whew. Let's see. She's still,
Yeah, it moves a little bit.
let's see, will it hit? Look, I can make it hit the metal frame.
Yeah, that was probably the sound when I did full throttle.
Let's see.
She's used.
No, we're not gonna hit the metal frame.
So yeah, there's nothing holding the engine on this side. Good, free. Oh, it's so scary. All right, we are almost done with motor mounts.
Parking brake's on, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Probably a bad time to ask.
Oh my god, get out of here. Good lighting. Hopefully this is good lighting, I don't know. Alright, we have finished our brake time, replacement of that and everything. So yes, it is brake time. I think I'm gonna do the knuckle as a separate video then, because this is gonna be a way too long video. This video is gonna be like 25 minutes long. So when we get back, we're gonna take a break and then you guys can tune into the next video. That is when we're gonna do the knuckle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I apologize for not, posting for so long, but we are back. Fun-filled video with many parts and things being installed. So if you liked it, hit that like button down below. Smash it if that's something you're into. Comment anything you would like. And subscribe for more videos coming very soon. Like I said, I'm going to be going to Colorado, making very many videos there. I'm pretty sure I have like 4 or 5 cars to film. And might do some daily things on my other channel. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, hope you guys liked the video. My name's Thomas, this is Ryan right here. Huge shout out to him because he's the boss. See you guys next time. Peace.